Welcome to Dedicated Code. We already created many videos on LAMP installation on different operating systems. Now it is time for the LAMP installation on Alma Linux, cloudlinux and rockylinux. Let's start. Very first we will log into the server. After that we will update the repositories. To update the repository we can able to use this command and hit enter. So this will support all the latest version that we are going to install for the LAMP. While completing this update, let me share you some information. We have already created many videos on control panels like cpanel, plus, direct admin, and these are paid one. Whereas we also created many videos on free control panels like CWP, Vesta panel and other control panels. So you have two methods. First one is use LAMP and create your project. Second, use a control panel which are available in the market. That might be free or paid. Both video guides are available on our YouTube channel. Do you think this is complicated? That time we always recommend you to go with a control panel, and for that we already have a different plans. You can able to go and check from our dedicatedcode.com website. As you can see, we have updated our repository. Now very first we will install Apache because Linux is already installed, that is cloudlinux, Alma Linux or rockylinux. So now time for installation of Apache. Here we are using HTTPD package, and for that we need DNF package manager. Here to install an Apache we can able to use this command and hit enter. As you can see that our Apache has been installed successfully. Now it is time to start the Apache. To start the Apache we can able to use this command to start Apache, that is HTTPD. You can clearly see that our Apache has been started. Now it is time to check status. Here you can able to see that it is active, but still one step is remaining in Apache's, that is we need to enable the Apache. So whenever system is rebooted or restarted, so that time Apache automatically will get active. So you do not need to each and every time start the HTTPD. For that we can able to use this command. And you can see that our Apache has been set to add to start. Now once Apache activated, now it is time for the testing. For that you can able to go to the browser, and here you can able to enter your IP address, and you can able to see that our Apache has been started successfully. Now we completed LA part. Now it is time for the MySQL installation. Here we are installing MariaDB. To install the MariaDB we need to run a following command. But before that we need to get the list of MariaDB. By this command we can able to get the list available for the MariaDB versions. Here you can able to see that 10.3 is a default version and 10.5 is the latest version. So in our case we will go with the latest version. Before that we need to reset the module. To reset the MariaDB module we can able to use this command, and our reset has been completed successfully. After successful reset, it is time for actual installation of MariaDB. In this case, we are installing 10.5. For that, we can specifically use the version and installation command, and after that hit enter. It will ask for the permission, say yes. Similar like Apache, we also need to start and enable for reboot. So once rebooted, MySQL will get automatically up. One more thing, if you are facing any issue, in this case we are highly recommend you to buy a managed VPS or a managed dedicated server plan from Dedicated Code, so you will get a support in each and everything. Whereas managed versus unmanaged, if you don't know, then you can able to watch the video which is already given in the description, so you will get a clear understanding. Now our MariaDB has been installed successfully. After that we will check the status. Status is showing inactive. After that we will enable, so once rebooted it will automatically up. To verify it is started or not, you can able to check this command. You can able to see that it is active. Whenever we say MariaDB or any database, that time we need to secure it. To secure this we can able to be specifically use this command, and after that hit enter. Now it will ask for the current password, so in this case say yes. After that yes, and then it will ask for the change password, say yes, and it will ask for the password, new password. So in this case, we will enter the password. Again, enter the password. It says, do you want to remove anonymous users? Say yes. Again, disallow root login remotely. Say yes. Remove test database. Say yes. Reload privilege table now. Say yes. And our security of MariaDB has been completed. So this was the basic security that we need to do with our database. Let me clear the screen. As we already set the password in the previous step for the MariaDB, so in this case, if you wanted to log in, you can able to use this command and hit enter. It will ask for the password that we set in the previous step. So I will enter the password. And you can see that we have successfully logged into MariaDB database. As we are doing a LAMP installation, so we are not going to show the entire commands and all. So we will move forward for the next installation. In this case, we are at the last step, that is PHP installation. Before that, we must need to know what are the PHP modules or PHP versions are available. To get the list, we can able to use this command and hit enter. So in this case, it will show all the available list, and default version is 7.2. Here you can able to see that the list showing 8.0, but the latest version is much higher, that is 8.3 something. So in this case, we need to install a REAM repository, because with the help of REAM repository, we can able to install the latest PHP version. To install the REAM repository, we need to visit this particular URL. So link is already given in the description. So in this case, you can able to see that the REAM has the latest version, that is 9.2. So let me copy this and I will install the REAM. To install the REAM, use this command sudo dnf install and enter the current URL, that is latest REAM installation file. Here you can able to see that it is not supporting. So in this case, we will install 9th one and hit enter. Let me retry with 8. Yeah, 8 is working absolutely fine. So in this case, say yes, and our REAM installation has been completed successfully. Once the REAM installation has been completed, now we will get the latest update. Say yes, say yes, and here you can able to see that we have 8.2 as a latest version. Now first we will reset the PHP, and after that we will install 8.2 with the help of REAM. Here it is the command, so make sure that write it very properly so you can able to install a latest version as possible with the help of PHP. It will ask for the permission, say yes, and our PHP installation has been successful. But please make sure that after successful installation of PHP, we need certain modules like CURL, zip, XML, MP string, because these might require to run certain PHP files and sometimes it get error. So to avoid all of this, we need to install modules in the PHP. So to do this, we already made a list. Just copy this from the link is already given in the description. So you can able to use this command sudo dnf install php, and the list is shared here, common, CLI and similar, all these necessary modules. Hit enter. So it will install all the modules one by one. It will ask for the permission, say yes. Again it will ask for the permission, say yes, and lastly say yes and close. We are about to finish because we install LAMP entire, but here let me check PHP installed properly or not. But here let me check first PHP version. Here you can able to see that 8.2.9 is clearly installed as per the instructions. Now the final step is remaining, testing whether our PHP is working, MySQL is working in the live environment or not. To do this, I just doing a PHP example. In this case, I am going to create a file called as info.php, and in that particular file, let me add a code. So once code has been updated successfully, now it is time to save the file. We have created info.php file. One last time, we will restart our Apache. To restart the Apache, we can able to use this command, and our Apache has been restarted successfully. Now we will go to our browser and enter IP address /info.php, and you can able to see that we have successfully completed our LAMP installation. Every details is already listed on this file because we written a PHP code, so we can able to display all PHP related things. So that means our LAMP installation completed. If you need any information or any video guide, you can able to comment below. We are available 24/7.